Welcome, here I've got TCL 10SE and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this button, the second from the left. When we pick this, we can manage the ratio of the camera. Now we are in 4:3, let's pick 16:9. And as you can see, the background of the camera has changed to the longer one, so this is this aspect ratio. When we tap on this once again, we can go to 1:1, so the square one, this is how it works. And here we have also access to this one, the full frame, full camera aspect ratio, and this is how it works. And of course, by tapping on this once again, we can easily go back to 4:3, the original one. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.